Privé Mampitasu is located at Antananzaza village in the district of Muramang, turning right at kilometer .85 of the National Road number 2.
Tananjaza moa na hoe Ambomanatriky vokotany iray farany andrefana amin'ny commune Drina izay ahitana mponina maro indrindra ato anatin'ny commune izany izy io.
This school year 2018-2019, as part of its vision, the school planned to rebuild the entire infrastructure, which is currently in a very poor state. Approximately 120 students are registered in this school. The school calls for partnership, including some organizations such as Liberty 42 through its program called IBEAZAN.
Ny ezaka efa nataon'ny fikambanana ray aman-dren'ny mpianatra dia ny tamin'ny voalohany dia ny ezaka mbonin'ny tao-trano fa tsy nisy sekoly teto hatramin'izay fa ny ray aman-dren'ny mpianatra no niezaka nanao ny trano niaraka tamin'ny fiangonana.
Liberty 42 has given books and school supplies thanks to the contribution of the members, volunteers, and friends. Therefore, 4 computers have been granted through the association's partnership with the Telma Foundation that allows 9th year to 5th year to learn computer science. As regards to MIABO project, it aims at firstly continuing to organize activities related to citizenship education and computer science program for the students. Secondly, supplying new table benches to replace the old ones financed by the United Nations Women's Guild of Vienna. Thirdly, restoring the school currently made of mud to an anti-cyclonic building composed by 2 rooms which can host 4 classes as well as the secondary infrastructures. The Telma Foundation has confirmed its willingness to contribute into the reconstruction of the school through the Sekul Telma program. The foundation will provide 90 million arari to the project, while the total sum required for the specialized company is about 120 million arari. The foundation's funding will be awarded to the project with a minimal contribution around 30 million arari from Liberty 32 Association. The sum must be ready in cash for the signing of the partnership agreement with the Telma Foundation. Therefore, we call for benefactors, partners, and collaborators who have interest in the educational field to bring their support to this sum of 30 million arari. In addition to improving the infrastructure for the students, it will be possible to raise the teachers' salaries, which are currently extremely low, by increasing the number of students. That would have a direct and positive impact on the quality of education. Join us to promote the education of the kids at Atananzas through the MIABO project. Contact us, email address liberty42.madagascar@gmail.com, Facebook Liberty32, phone number +261 34 15 154 12.